Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s to your PC and how we can transfer data. So the first thing that we need is of course the USB cable, which should be included in the box together with the charger. So it looks like this. There we go. So we need to use this cable that we use for the charger. Now in my case I have my cable over here. And of course, the one end goes to the bottom of the device. So let me quickly grab the phone. Over here, as you can see, we can plug in the USB-C cable. So let's do that. And there we go. And the other end, of course, goes to the PC, to USB. Now, if you see this window, then you can simply tap File Transfer in order to make sure that we can actually get access to the storage of our phone. We can also open the notifications, and while connected to PC, we should have this this notification USB file transfer turned on or something else, but we can still tap on it in order to find more options. And over here we can make sure that the file transfer is enabled, or if you want to, you can just go with the photo and video transfer. And now on PC, what you need to do is simply open your PC, and then you should have your Motorola Moto G04 or G04s together with your discs. So you can enter this disk, this phone in fact, and then over here we have the internal shared storage. If you have your micro SD card inserted into your smartphone, then you should have also another disk, let's say, over here, which is of course the SD card. In my case, I only have the internal storage, but we can enter it, and over here, as you can see, we have all the folders, we have pictures, we have music, movies, download, everything that we have stored in our phone. We can get access to it by doing so. And of course, we can also upload anything from our computer onto our smartphone the same way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.